welcome back. Now, as usual, we download free images. I have my folder here, project number 5. These two images are from the previous lessons. This is the two I'm referring to. They are in the same project now, so we are not going to download this again because we already downloaded them, these two images. Okay, so now let's download these two images. Control click. Okay, this is the first image we are going to download. You can download it straight here, or you right click on it and choose save image and choose your project file here, save it. Okay, let's go to the second one. This is the second image. You do the same, right click, save image as the same folder. Okay, so let's look at the license of the image. Let's come here. The image is free. You can see it is your offer free. Of course, all our graphics and greetings cards here at animatedimage.org are 100% free, but they have something here. How can I use the graphic? You can use it. You can use our graphics both privately of your business, so it means you can use them, but they have something here again. What I am not allowed to do with the graphic, so include the graphics in collection or image archive, so you can archive them. You have to copy the category of their structure, use the graphic commercially through reproduction, so you can reproduce this, so you can include it in your logo, you can print it. So this is how to use these images. So we downloaded these two images, a running dog and a running man. Okay, as you can see, this is the running man. I think the color. Okay, let me see. This is the running man. Let me try downloading it like this. Let me see. Okay, it is not allowed. So these are the two images we are going to work with. So see you in the next lesson.